Hey, Yuri here, and let me tell you about getting job. It's easy peasy if you're smart like me. Here are 7 top ways to get a job, even if economy sucks. Number 1. Make sure you show up a few minutes late. It's best to let them know that you're busy. Your time is more valuable than theirs. Make sure you look at your watch or your phone throughout the interview also. Remind them you're in a hurry. They will respect you. Number 2. Make sure you dominate the conversation. Talk a lot about yourself. If they ask a question, turn it around on them. Make them feel you're interviewing them. They will like this. They will hire you. It shows initiative. Number 3. Make sure you have a cigarette in your mouth at all times, but offer them one as well, to show courtesy. Number 4. Interrupt at least 3 times during interview to check text message. You must show them that you're a serious player. You have people who need you. This will show them that you are important. Number 5. Make sure to wear lots of cologne. You should overpower them with your scent. This will make you more dominant. They will like this. Number 6. When they ask you a question that is already on resume, remind them of this. Say, you look to my resume. It is already there. Don't ask stupid question. It will show your management side. They will like this. And number 7, this best one for last. Make sure you leave interview early. When they're asking question or in middle of talking to you, you stand up and leave. Don't look back. Don't turn around. Just go. They will respect this and call you back for job. Well, I hope you like these tips. Make sure to subscribe to channel. Yuri out. Peace.